Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to insert the rupee symbol, rupee, in MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a financial report, a presentation, or a spreadsheet, this guide will make your work look professional and polished. First, open the Microsoft program you're working on. It could be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Once your document, spreadsheet, or presentation is open, click on the place where you want to insert the rupee symbol. This could be a text box in PowerPoint, a cell in Excel, or right in your Word document. Now, here's the trick. Press Alt on your keyboard and type 837 using the numeric keypad. Make sure to hold down the Alt key while typing the numbers. The moment you release the Alt key, voila! The rupee symbol appears exactly where you wanted it. If you prefer using menus, there's another option. Go to the Insert tab, click on Symbol, and look for the rupee symbol in the list. Click Insert and it's added to your document. This method works across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as well. And that's it. With this simple technique, you can effortlessly add the rupee symbol anywhere in your Microsoft Office files, giving your work a clean professional touch. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Office tips. Drop any questions in the comments. I love helping you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.